When you're making a rocket, it's often easiest to work top to bottom, tailoring each stage to carry the... Anytime we intend to drop an empty stage after using all of its fuel, we connect it to add that decoupler to the bottom of your rocket. We need to attach a larger, more powerful lower stage to the bottom of your rocket. To keep things simple, I've whipped up a new look. Out in the real world, this list would show all of your saved workspaces. Now that the lower stage has been merged into your current workspace, you can see it next to the upper stage. Select the lower stage and connect it to the decoupler beneath the upper stage. Perfect! Merging is a very powerful tool. Anytime you want to reuse a particular booster, lander, or other element from an existing rocket, space rockets sometimes need an extra boost. In a rare case of rocket scientists, we'll start by attaching 4 radial decouplers that will eject the spent boosters when they're... Great! Now when you place a part on one side of your rocket, 3 more evenly spaced duplicates will appear around the rocket. Go ahead and add 4 radial decoupler. Perfect! Now you've got 4 radial decouplers. Let's attach those solid fuel boosters. Since you're still in 4x symmetry mode, simply attach this booster to one of the decouplers you just placed. Great job! You've finished your orbital rocket. You can symmetrically place up to 8 parts at once, a feat that could until now only be... Before you launch a rocket, you need to plan the order of your staging events. The staging order begins at the bottom of the staging stack. You want your boosters and main engine to fire. Your solid fuel boosters burn very hard and very fast, so they will run out of... Now move all 4 radial decouplers from stage 4 to your new stage 2. All done. Your remaining stages are set up so that stage 4 will activate your orbital stage's engine. Stage 5 will detach the orbital. All right, we're ready to light this candle. In this flight, you're going all the way to orbit. I'll walk you through the process of launching, executing a gravity turn to get moving sideways, coasting to orbital altitude. Before we begin, let's talk about the nav ball. At launch, you want all your engines at max. You can see your main throttle here. Your fuel levels are visible within the staging stack. Right now, you can see that your main engine and 4 boosters are all topped off and ready to rumble. It's time to go. At the start, all you need to do is fly straight up. I'll check back in with you once these boosters are empty. Good. All right, the solid fuel boosters are empty. It's time to start your gravity turn. First, we need to get to 10,000 meters. You're going to yaw towards the east so that the target marker is in the center of the nav ball. Your vessel and nav ball should look like this example video if you're performing the gravity turn correctly. Way to make Kerbin's gravity work for you. You're now on track to establish an orbit. Your current stage's fuel is empty. Great job! Your rocket is on its way to orbit. As you gain experience, you can make your gravity turns more efficient by starting to tilt your rocket soon after liftoff. Right now, we're on a ballistic trajectory. If no further adjustments are made, when planning and executing orbital maneuvers, you'll want to switch to map view. The blue arc passing through your vehicle is its current trajectory. Let's break that down a little more. The top of your arc has a helpful tag in map view. We're paused at just before the apoapsis. We want to go fast. You're all lined up and ready to go. Once your trajectory reaches all the way around the planet, you'll see Here's the most important thing to remember about setting up an orbit above an... Keep your eye on your trajectory for now, and I'll tell you if your periapsis is safely out of the atmosphere. Okay, your orbit is fully out of the atmosphere. You did it! You're in orbit! This is when I'd usually tell you to look under your seat in the simulator, where you'd find a delicious celebratory treat. Sadly, since the vending machine in the astrodynamics lab broke down, it has gotten very difficult to hide snacks anywhere at KSC. Feel free to take a moment to admire your first orbit. In a way, you've given yourself a mind snack, which is way better than the edible kind anyway. Right? Right?